All right, number 10, we want to use function notation and determine the following: f of x minus 1. Okay, so we are given f of x is the square root of x plus 8x plus 8, and then outside the square root we have minus 5. And then we want to find f of x minus 1. So what this notation means is we're going to replace everywhere we have an x with x minus 1. So I'm going to do my square root, and instead of x, I'm going to replace that with x minus 1. So that's for the x, and then bring down my plus 8, and then minus 5. So it just kind of road map telling you what to plug in where. You plug it in for x, and then we're going to simplify. So underneath, we're going to have square root of x, and then 1 take away 8. You can't do anything in parentheses. It's going to give us a positive 7, and then the minus 5 is unaffected. So this is the result. Square root of x plus 7, and then minus 5 outside. And then number 11, we want to determine h of x squared for the following. So h of x is given as 3x divided by x squared minus 5x plus 7. And in this example, we want to know h of x squared. So this time, the roadmap says everywhere you had an x, replace it with x squared. So we'll have 3, replace that with x squared. On the bottom, we have an x squared, plugging into what was already squared, minus 5 x squared plus 7. So when we simplify, we get on the numerator 3x squared. Squared, power to a power, that rule says to multiply, so 2 times 2 is 4, so we have an x to the 4th on the bottom, minus 5x squared plus 7. It didn't have an x, so it's not affected. We'll have 3x squared, x to the 4th on the bottom, minus 5x squared plus 7.